How to fix Instagram Reels icon not showing problem. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Bimal from Genie Guide, and in today's video I will simply show you how you can fix if the Instagram Reels icon are not showing. So just make sure to watch this video till the end. Now if I open up my Instagram application over here, you can see that I have home, I have the search button, I have plus icon, I have the Instagram shop, I also have my profile page, but nowhere can you see that I do not have the Instagram Reels icon. Now you also want to keep in mind that just because you do not see the Reels icon does not mean you will not be able to watch Reels. You can still watch Reels, and that is from your home page. You have to locate a specific reel, or maybe you could go to the search page and locate a reel. A reel will have the reel icon right next to that video, so you can open up that video and you can see the mark called reel. Now what this does is that in order to view more reels, you just have to scroll through and then find more reels that you want to watch. As you can see, we do not have a reels icon, but I'm being able to watch reels. But let's say that you do want the reels icon. Well, in that case as well, I can only have a solution for you if you have an Android phone, and that is that on your Play Store you have to download the Instagram Lite version, which means that Instagram official version may or may not have this feature, but Instagram Lite definitely has. So open up Instagram Lite and then download it, open the app, log into your account. But this time on our Instagram Lite, though we may have limited features, we do have the Reels icon instead of the Instagram shopping icon. So you can see Instagram Reels, and now we can go ahead and then browse these reels if you want to, if you do want the reels. But as I said, you can also watch reels from your main Instagram app, but only the downside is that there is no icon, but doesn't mean you're not being able to watch reels. You can go to the explore page and then find the reels that you want to watch over here. That's all it takes to fix Instagram Reels not showing. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.